Bitcoin has once again been crashing towards the downside after creating this fake out towards the upside. Now, what is going to be happening next is going to be extremely important because a huge warning signal could be appearing right now on the Bitcoin charts. So we need to be talking about that exactly. Are we still going to be seeing this next move towards the upside? We are at a crucial level for the altcoins because it looks to be like the Bitcoin dominance is breaking down right now, which is going to be extremely important for the altcoins, extremely bullish. Need to be talking about Ethereum and much more in this video, so can we once again push up the likes, back above the 200 likes, that will be absolutely insane. And as always, let's first of all have a look into what's at short term. And what we can be seeing over here is that we created a little bit of a fake out, but actually having a look into what's our volume indicator, we did not create any volume increases during the point of our breakout. Of course, right now during this fake out and this dump towards the downside, we are seeing a little bit of a volume increase, but at the point of the breakout, we did not really see any volume increases, which was one signal that yes, indeed, we could be seeing a little bit of a fake out over here. Definitely, I woke up this night and this was actually very unfortunate. But anyways, having a look into what some important levels of support, yes, we are still getting held by these levels of support, which is still actually looking quite nice and still actually is looking quite good. But yes, as long as we are going to be holding above these levels of support, then Bitcoin is still looking quite bullish in my opinion, and I am still going to be expecting that in the end of the day, after this consolidation over here, we are going to be seeing another leg towards the upside. But if we are going to be falling down below this level of support, then I should definitely get a little bit more worried, because at that point it is just going to be more likely that we are actually going to be breaking this short-term uptrend structure and we are going to be flipping it into what's a downtrend. And at that point, I should definitely become a little bit more worried. I definitely do want to be seeing this uptrend getting hold, and we are creating just another higher low over here and get another leg towards the upside. But for that case, yes, we do need to be holding these levels of support, and as long as we're going to be doing that, it still looks extremely bullish in my opinion, and I'm going to be explaining exactly why. I'm still going to be extremely bullish over here, just in the case that we are going to be breaking down below, we'll then just get a little bit more worried. So however, the Bitcoin funding rates are still actually looking quite bullish. They are still extremely low, while Bitcoin is literally trading only a few $1,000s below our previous all-time highs, which is definitely looking extremely bullish. The market is not getting overheated at all at these high levels, which is just indicating me that yes, most likely we are going to be continuing our momentum towards the upside. We are not getting overheated at all at these points. On top of that, having a look into what's our Bitcoin liquidity on that 3-month period, well, that majority of the liquidity is still actually sitting at the top side. As you can be seeing over here, above these previous all-time highs, well, that majority of the liquidity is actually sitting above these levels. And we do know that Bitcoin tends to move towards a place where that majority of the liquidity is actually sitting at. Right now it's sitting at the top side. Definitely is looking very good. At the same time, Bitcoin is actually retesting this bull flag breakout, which is also definitely looking very good. Now, indicates that we are going to be losing this level of support, then definitely it is not going to be looking that bullish and not going to be looking that good anymore. But as long as we're going to be holding this level of support, I definitely do think that we are going to be expecting a big bounce over here. That is also the reason why I am still in my Bitcoin trade. I am still going to be expecting much higher levels to be getting reached, and having a look into what's our Bitcoin volatility. Yes, it is still sitting at all-time lows. Still, that huge move is about to come. And I think that this huge move is about to be getting initiated because of this breakout right now. And also on that higher time frame, this huge cup and handle pattern that is also about to break out. So I actually do think you should not be getting fooled at this moment over here. I actually do think that we are going to be seeing this next breakout towards the upside. So definitely, in my opinion, do not get fooled at these levels. Yes, if we are going to be falling down below this level of support, well then definitely it is going to be looking much different. But right now, in my opinion, nothing to really be worried about. And if you are going to be getting interested in trading yourself, make sure to check out that link down below, because on your initial sign up, you are already going to be getting a free $5 over on CoinW. And whenever you open your first trade, you are going to be getting another $100 completely for free. And the best thing is, if you do use this link down below, you're going to be eligible for all of these bonuses, also for a $30,000 deposit bonus. And the best thing is that over on CoinW, there's no KYC required. So that means that all around the world, it doesn't matter where you are going to be eligible to be trading over on CoinW and claiming these bonuses. So definitely make sure to check it out. It is literally going to be free money, which you can be claiming right now and deploying in towards the market. So check out that link down below, CoinW. And next up, having a look into what's the altcoins. This is going to be extremely important because in 3 days, we are going to be closing our monthly candle. And if we are going to be breaking this structure towards the downside, that is going to be extremely bullish for the altcoins, because this chart is the Bitcoin dominance. Whenever it is going to be breaking down, all of the money will start to flow into its altcoins. Then the real altcoin season is going to be getting started. So yes, if we are going to be confirming this breakdown, well, that is going to be extremely bullish. In 3 days, we are going to be getting our confirmation. And if we are going to be zooming in on that daily time frame, it is actually looking like we are about to get our breakdown. We actually confirmed this breakdown right here. So on that daily time frame, it is really starting to look extremely good. And what you need to keep in mind is that it can all happen extremely quickly, because right over here in the previous cycle, we also got this breakdown over here, and very, very quickly, we went towards the downside extremely quickly. All of the funds started to flow in towards altcoins in a matter of weeks. We saw insane rally for all of the altcoins in a matter of weeks. So there's not going to be much time left to prepare yourself right now. I am almost all in towards altcoins right now at this current moment. And if we are going to be having a look in towards Ethereum, I do think that Ethereum will continue to go up as our ETF launch window will be approaching. Because yes, during this time period, I think that more bullish news will be coming out regarding our Ethereum ETF from these asset managers. Okay, and at these points, getting the retail money actually quite bullish at this period over here. And then whenever the ETF is actually going to be live and trading, that will be the sell the news event, and then we will get a little bit of a sell-off. Now, I do not think that this sell-off is going to be this deep, but then after that sell-off, we are going to be seeing the same thing happening with, just like we saw with Bitcoin, with actual capital flowing in towards Ethereum, and then we are going to be seeing that next leg towards the upside. So I think that something like this is going to be next for Ethereum. Ethereum is definitely starting to look great over here. I definitely do still think that Ethereum is going to be outperforming Bitcoin in 2024. So yeah, just wait until we are going to be getting this bullish news from these asset managers, these predictions on how much inflow is going to be coming in. Anyways, for Bitcoin, it is still looking extremely bullish in my opinion. On that larger time frame, that next Bitcoin move is still going to be coming towards the upside, in my opinion. We are creating that hidden bullish divergence on that weekly time frame. All of the signals are actually looking extremely similar from 2017. So yes, the chart is looking extremely similar. I think that we are about to go absolutely parabolic right now for Bitcoin. So yes, this is just what I am personally thinking. I am at least prepared for what is about to come next for Bitcoin with this Bitcoin long position. Now, anyways, guys, if you do want to be staying up to date about every single market development, make sure to be following me over on Twitter. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.